Ooh. Right? This is like the third, fourth visit. Her head, and this is a lot of people actually, I catch this a lot. And most people won't know. Like if you looked at it, it won't be know. But like if you get it straight from the middle, I don't know if you have to get the camera.
I'm like
you can get it.
off to the side. I'm in the middle. Yeah.
So if I go on her sternum, her nose should be.
Say that again?
Oh yeah, okay. So if I put my elbow on her sternum, her nose should be right where my hand is. Now, if I have her head go here, right there, now her sternum, let me just see. Okay, her sternum and her nose is lined up. Okay, now I'm gonna tilt it a little bit this way. Okay, do you feel crooked?
Feels weird.
Yeah.
Really weird.
So she feels weird standing straight. Now, if I had to fix her, so now you feel weird, right?
Yeah.
Now go to your normal. Tilt this way. All right. So that since it's tilting that way, we're gonna go to the left. Good. Drop. Drop.
I love that.
That was a good one.
I love that.
Yeah,
That was really
that was a
loud.
good one. Yeah, that was really loud. Okay, now come across this side. Okay, now we're gonna go this way. Up top, drop. There. Good. Let's go on your stomach, facing down. Nice. She needed that. Good
Yeah, I did.
Lord.
I felt really good.
You put your hand under your head, under your forehead, so I don't mess up your.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
You're so good.
You got it. Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was extra crunchy there, huh?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to pull right here. This is for the rib cage, okay? There we go. No, you can relax. Watch this. There. You felt that?
Mm-hmm.
Good. We're going to do the same thing on that side. Good. Perfect. Now we're going to face. I'm going to go on this side. Turn on your shoulders facing me this way. Okay, good. Go right on your shoulder, down. Good. I'm going to attach this to here. Okay. Bring this knee up.
Mm-hmm.
Give me this arm. Breathe in. Breathe out. Jeez.
You got the first one.
Yeah.
You're finished.
That was ready to go. Let's turn the other way. Good. Okay. Here. Here. Low back. L4, L5 right here. How'd that feel?
Really good.
Yes. Let's go on your back. It's okay. I'll put this right here. All right, here we go. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So now, we got most of the neck already. Got a little bit more. We're gonna do a pull distraction. It's gonna pop all the way to down her spine. There it is. You like that one? Like
Yeah.
Drop it down. Good. Good. Ooh. Good Lord. Tell about how that felt.
I felt really good.
Slice of heaven. A slice of heaven. All right. Come on up. Turn to the left. Yeah. Good. You want her to face this way? Is that better for you? Angle-wise?
I don't think we need that much extra space.
Okay. Okay. All right. Both
I got
hands.
that cold feeling again.
Yeah. What does that
Feels
mean? Tell
really
everybody
good.
what that means to you. What does that mean to you?
It just
Yeah.
feels like everything freed up. Like it's
Mhm.
like I feel looser.
Yes. Perfect.
Like,
Both hands behind, right here, right here, right here. Good.
ooh,
Good. Hands
Ooh.
down. Nice. Look at that.
and it's loose.
Hell yeah.
Loose.
Good. Good.
Yes.
Let's go back against the wall. Watch this. Let's go right back against the wall. Now watch this. Just slightly. Now if I take my sternum, if I take my elbow, put it on the sternum,
There's
that's
no way.
that's I mean, you can't make this up.
Oh,
Literally,
wow.
that's the same thing, much better.
Wow.
I could go slightly, I would say should be here.
Yeah.
That would be perfect, but that was very slight.
It's only
If you can
third
fix it.
visit.
Yeah, it's only third visit. So
Yeah.
little by little, we'll tweak it, right?
Yeah.
What do you say to all the people that are scared to see me?
Don't be scared.
All the
It feels
dancers.
great.
What about to the dancers?
Come see him.
You guys
Best doctor
need
in the DMV.
Woo!
Again, stand on it.
Gee, let's get it.
It's really
Appreciate
good.
you.
I
That was
appreciate you.
awesome. That was good.